Thank you very much for your kind words. So my name is Harro Stokman. I'm the CEO and founder of Kepler Vision Technologies. We're a spin-off company from the University of Amsterdam. And I'm also doing this call from Amsterdam. And I think the title of the presentation, Enabling Video Privacy Through Embedded Vision. That is what I like to talk to you about. And I prepared a presentation which will take 20 minutes of your time. And I hope it will be of interest to you. So I will first start off with the problems that my company focuses on to solve, problems in long-term care. I also think it's demo or die. So I will try to give a live demonstration of our solution while I'm here. After that, I will go over what was difficult in getting our solution to work. And I split it up in two. One is the computer vision problems, and then also the infrastructure and hardware problems. As I think this is of most interest to this audience, and this has the focus of my presentation. Briefly go over how the technology works, then clinical validation outcome. Finally, brief one slide on marketing to provide you more information on Kepler Vision, of the Kepler Vision company. And then finally, a summary.